Happy birthday. Anong balita na? Enjoy your party. Di man kami makapunta dyan ha lagi ka naman aming naiisip at nagdadasal kayo dyan lagi.
Wish you good health and have lots of fun. Miss you. I love you. Take care.
Hi, Tita Bing! Ang wish namin sa inyo is good health and always be happy. God bless!
Dory tsaka si Gino. Happy birthday! Kararating lang namin pero happy birthday. Advance.
May you have many more to come, and I wish you health, wealth, and happiness. God bless you always.
Happy birthday, Ninang!
Wish you the best of everything. How young? How old are you? How young?
Yan.
Happy birthday, Tita Beng! Beng, kamusta kayo diyan? Yan na, anak ni hindi ko.
Uwi ka ng December?
Uwi ka kayo sa December.
Uwi ka ba sa December?
Uwi kayo sa December 10.
Ang regalo mo sa December.
Uwi kayo bago ng December 8.
December 8 ang aking kasal. 3 p.m. dito sa atin sa simbahan. Ang reception ay sa bungahan. Sa gym. Yan. Ha? Kung hindi ka makaka-uwi, padala ka na lang ng euro.
Kasi kailangan mga 100,000.
Ang alin.
Kailangan daw ng 100,000. Bawal siya sa iyo.
Hindi naman halatang umiidad ka naman. Hindi halatang umiidad ka, Tita Bing. Promise. Pabata ka ng pabata na maging maayos. Kita-kita ulit tayo pag uwi mo. Saka tayo mag-celebrate ulit ng birthday mo.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Nandiyan naman si Soyla eh. Okay, Bing, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Bing. We wish you what?
Happy birthday.
Yeah, and good health and
Good food.
joy. Love life.
And sunshine.
Yes. Love you, miss you.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around the world, come on!
Happy birthday from Felix, from Goldie,
From Michael.
from Trico.
Ah, Teko.
Ano na inyong wish? From Odi daw, from Odi. Yun, Odi.
Odi, the bear.
Si Odi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Bing.
Ninang. Happy birthday, ha?
Oh, happy birthday.
A dedication to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate and party with you. Come
Tita Bing, happy birthday, ha? Happy 60th birthday, ka?
let's all
Okay.
celebrate.
Ay, ako.
Ang tawag natin ko.
Happy 70th birthday, Tita Bing.
Happy 70th birthday!
Happy advance happy birthday, Bing!
Happy birthday, Tita Omi. We love you.
It's a celebration.
Happy birthday, Tita Bing!
Happy birthday po, Tita Bing. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Bing.
Come on now. Celebrate good times. Come on. Let's celebrate. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Bing, happy birthday.
Ano tayo, ayos na?
Sige, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday!
God bless.